Hello. Happy Monday evening to you. Forgot to close my door, so we're gonna do a patriotic craft tonight using this right here, America. This transfer is called Land of the Free. When you hop on, say hi, let me know that you're here. I'm Foxy with Foxy's Chalkin and Crafts. If you see this live or this red live button right up here, you're catching the live. If you don't see that, then hit hashtag replay and let me know that you're here so I can say hi. We're also going to use this surface. This is a reusable surface from Chalk Couture. Like all my facial expressions. This not only is a reusable surface, it also is one of our boutique boards. And what that means is it has a white surface and a black surface. So this is the front. This is the back. See the pegs here that you just put it in, and then it has a black surface and a white surface. We are going to be using the white surface tonight. So I'm just going to set this back here for the time being. If we have enough time, we're also going to make a little firecracker to set next to this, using literally a piece of wood from my garage. My husband's outside right now cutting spindles down. I can't wait to show you the cute little firecrackers made out of some spindles. So I did not share with you that this is called the Couture Boutique Beaded Frame. So there you go. All right, I'm going to log on here real quick on my laptop and see about getting comments. I want to be able to chat with you guys, see what you guys are doing tonight, other than watching me if you've logged on. So excited right now. Let me turn that down. We just got home from our grandson's. Hold on. We just got home from our grandson's baseball game. I had to leave a few minutes early. Those things never take as long as the schedule says, do they? All right, so let me see here. Hi, Sarah. Are you crafting today? Have you been using your new Chalk Couture items? Hope I'm not too loud for Denny. All right, again, this is the boutique surface, so it's reusable. So, you know, tonight I'm gonna put a patriotic craft, or I'm gonna chalk on this with a patriotic theme, and then, you know, in a couple months, if I wanna change it out, all I've gotta do is wipe it off. Comment below and say I have, or thumbs up, or, you know, the heart. Have you guys seen how these emojis are working? Is it gonna, see that? There's a bunch of them. So that was the heart. If there's a piece, balloons, thumbs up. Is it gonna work? It's not gonna work. It's always something. No problem. Not today. Hi, Mom. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys. Okay, so what I'm doing is taking this America, and I'm just repeating it on this surface in 3 different Chalk Couture colors. The colors tonight are going to be Fresh It's a shimmer. I love shimmer. This is Cadet. It's probably the truest royal blue. And this is Cherry. Candy, very close to Candy Apple, which is a very traditional red. So I'm gonna chalk first in the fresh, and then we'll dry it a little bit. I've used this transfer multiple times, so I will fuzz. However, that's the luxury of using reusable Chalk Couture transfers, stencils, whatever you want to call them, is as long as you clean them when you're done. Hi, Marcy. Thanks for coming and hanging out with us. So, listen, I eyeball a lot. If that bothers you, I'm sorry, but it works for me. So I'm not measuring this. I do have a tape measure, but I don't think it's necessary. For me, personally. If you are a perfectionist or you just want everything to, you know, be completely centered, you do you. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check this just for good measure so I can tell you if I'm close or not. Over to the A is a little over an inch, and this A, it's exactly on, it's spot on. So we're good. So what, if you're new to Chalk Couture and you don't know what fuzzing is just taking a little bit of the sticky off the back of the transfer, okay? And depending on your surface determines if you need to do that. A little or a lot. This fresh is brand new, so I just opened it right before going live, so I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Pretty little shimmer blue. It's very pretty, and it's almost like an ice blue. I enjoy a good shimmer. Chalk paste is washable if it's on a reusable surface. So, did you learn something new today? Tell me what you've been doing today. Did you have to work? Have you been playing with grandkids? What have you been up to? Aw, I think it's pretty too, Sarah. It's called Fresh. Okay, so I fibbed a minute ago. Since I'm starting in the center, I'm actually going to start with Cadet because I want it to be fresh on the top, Cadet in the middle, and red on the bottom. So I just realized that. In my brain, I was thinking fresh because fresh is going to be on the top, but that's not where I'm starting. Starting on the center, so I know how much space I needed. This is a little thick, so I'm gonna use distilled water in my sprayer bottle, and I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of distilled water into that and mix it up. You wanna use distilled water if you think your chalk paste is a little bit too thick to thin the consistency, because tap water has metals and iron and stuff in it, okay? So much better. The consistency ideally should be that of like sour cream or yogurt. So is that what you were doing your fundraiser for, Marcy? To go to DC? I knew you had a fundraiser event, but I didn't know what it was for. That's fun. Okay. So I got my chalk paste here. I'm just gonna, you know, slide it over the silk screen section. And it's that easy. It's a little much. That's very, very exciting. I hope that you raised enough money to get you there. you want to put your unused chalk paste back, and then I'm just going to go over it one final time to pull any of the excess chalk paste. Waste not, want not, right? Okay. I love it. So good. This is the best part, honestly. Check it out. What do you think? I love it. This stencil has some built-in, see that? That's built into the transfer. That's not a mistake. It's done like that by design.